know you do.
Are any of these from me?
Yeah, a lot of them. She already opened it.
Whoa.
We need to have a talk.
No way.
Yay, and look, you got a placemat. Alright, baby, you want to open? That's from Daddy.
Daddy bought it for me?
Daddy bought it for you.
I want to do it on floor. I need to go do it on top, on table. I have to, this is a heavy one. I have it on here. It's the bathroom cleaner. It's the bathroom cleaner. It's the bathroom cleaner.
Is it just like Daddy's?
It's just like mine. It's a toy Dyson, huh? It's a Dyson vacuum cleaner.
Yeah.
You like it?
I only know one now.
Okay, baby, you only have a couple more left. Come here. You want to open this big one?